Do you want to give your videos an energetic glowing look? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an electric aura effect in CapCut Mobile by just using its built-in video effects. Let's now get started. First step is to open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available categories and you can use the search bar to search for electric aura. Tap the electric aura to preview the effect. You will see glowing electric energy surrounding the subject, creating a futuristic and high-impact visual style. You can also make adjustments by just pressing the Adjust button and slide the slider all you want. The slider option depends on the version of CapCut you have. Once you're satisfied with the preview, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Drag the beginning or end of the effect layer to control how long the electric aura effect appears. Play your video to preview your final result before exporting. That's it! That's how you add electric aura effect in CapCut Mobile. Power up your edits! Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.